Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Talk about an interesting old person you met recently.
I know many old persons, but now I would like to talk about my friend's grandfather. His name is Mr. Muhammad Ali, and he's in his mid 70s. I met him about 5 months ago, and I found him really very interesting. Uh, he's not tall, but he's very handsome. Uh,
Very good, very good. Carry on, please.
he retired as a colonel from army, and he told me many stories that how actively he participated in many wars. Once I visited my friend's house and I found him doing something on his laptop, and I found it really very interesting that how a person of this age can be so comfortable to use laptop, that my parents are very uncomfortable to use smartphone, and a person of this age is using a laptop like a pro. Whenever I visit my friend's house, I make it a point to sit with him to learn something new and to spend some quality
Okay,
time.
thank you. Overall, it's good. All you need is familiarity with all the topics one by one, and then you'll be fine. And try to speak until you are, or unless you are interrupted by the examiner. When
Yes.
examiner says thank you, then you should stop. Okay? Good
Yes.
job. Thank you.